The variable speed pool pump 3HP is an impressive addition for any in-ground pool owner looking to enhance their pool maintenance routine while saving on energy costs. This smart pool pump stands out in a crowded market, delivering a combination of efficiency, performance, and user-friendly features that make it a worthy investment. One of the most significant advantages of the variable speed pool pump is its energy efficiency. Traditional single-speed pumps can consume a considerable amount of energy, leading to high utility bills. In contrast, this variable speed model allows users to adjust the pump's speed according to their specific needs. With a maximum power of 3 HP, it can operate at lower speeds for routine filtration and higher speeds for heavy-duty tasks like vacuuming or water features. This flexibility not only helps in reducing energy consumption but also extends the life of the pump, making it a win-win for both the environment and your wallet. The smart technology integrated into this pool pump is particularly noteworthy. The pump features advanced programming options that allow users to set schedules for various tasks, such as filtration and heating, directly from their smartphone or tablet. The intuitive app interface provides real-time data on the pump's operation, including flow rate, energy usage, and maintenance reminders. Users can also receive alerts for any operational issues, ensuring prompt attention and preventing potential damage. This level of connectivity enhances user experience, making pool maintenance less of a chore and more of a streamlined process. Installation of the variable speed pool pump is straightforward, thanks to its well-designed user manual and clear instructions. Most homeowners with basic DIY skills can manage the installation without needing professional help. The pump is compatible with various pool systems, and its compact design allows for easy placement in tight spaces. This ease of installation is a crucial factor for many users who prefer to avoid the hassle of hiring contractors. Performance-wise, the pump excels in maintaining optimal water circulation and filtration. The quiet operation, a hallmark of variable speed pumps, is a significant improvement over traditional pumps. The noise levels are drastically reduced, allowing for a peaceful poolside environment. This is particularly beneficial for homeowners who enjoy evening swims or gatherings by the pool, as the pump operates efficiently without being disruptive. In terms of design and build quality, the variable speed pool pump is robust and aesthetically pleasing. The materials used in its construction feel durable and built to withstand various weather conditions. The pump's housing is designed to be corrosion resistant, ensuring longevity and reliability, even in harsh climates. Its sleek look complements modern pool installations, appealing to homeowners who value both functionality and aesthetics. One of the standout features is the energy savings potential, which is particularly apparent for those who run their pool pumps for extended periods. Many users report significant reductions in their monthly energy bills after switching to this variable speed model. The ability to run the pump at lower speeds for longer durations means that water is still circulated effectively, but with minimal power consumption. For environmentally conscious users, this energy efficiency translates into a smaller carbon footprint, an important consideration in today's eco-friendly landscape. However, it's essential to note that while this pump offers numerous benefits, it may come with a higher upfront cost compared to traditional single-speed models. Yet, the long-term energy savings, combined with reduced maintenance costs and improved performance, make it a worthwhile investment over time. It's advisable for potential buyers to weigh these factors and consider the overall value rather than just the initial price. Another minor drawback to mention is the learning curve associated with the smart technology. Features. While the app is user-friendly, those who are not technologically inclined might initially find it challenging to navigate. However, once familiarized, users appreciate the convenience and control that the app offers. In conclusion, the variable speed pool pump 3HP is an exceptional choice for in-ground pool owners seeking efficiency, performance, and modern features. Its energy-saving capabilities, quiet operation, and smart technology integration make it a standout option in the market. With the potential for substantial long-term savings and enhanced user experience, this pool pump is undoubtedly a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about pool care. Whether you're looking to reduce